So now that we have age debtor analysis, we can see that if I move in the first column, I need to highlight all the headings itself, not the contents. So what we can do in that situation, because we have just seen that conditional formatting always works with headings. So this is itself headings. So I need to color headings also. In this situation, you have to consider a fake heading. I will insert one row above that and just copy the same contents and paste it above. Alright, now that I have selected a fake heading, it will work exactly in the same way as we have discussed before. So what we need to do is highlight the whole range up to this point and then Control Shift and down. Just keep your finger on the down button until and unless it touches the bottom. So now it's on the 1,48,000 rows, so I will Control Shift move one step up, and now I have all the range selected. If you have confusion, or maybe you can click this cell accidentally, so all this range selection will be removed. So in that case, I can name this range as my underscore range. Why I put underscore? Because naming the ranges doesn't allow the spaces. So hit enter, and even if I click on any cell and the range is finished, I can just go on the name box and select my range, and you have it selected. Okay, now I want to format all the headings. So there are two steps. First, it will highlight this cell based on this heading, and then it will highlight this row based on these headings. So I will select the whole row. No, I have the name. Okay, and then I will go in conditional formatting and go in new rule, use a formula which cells to determine, and equals to this cell, and the row will be free and equals to. Now we have to see any particular criteria that is common in all headings, that comes in all headings. I can see that is AC. It comes in all headings, so it will check according to that criteria and highlight the full row. If you want to highlight the row, you have to select until that point that you want to highlight. Okay, so inverted commas, and you have to mention exactly the same word, A/C colon sign and inverted commas close, and then format it in which color do you like? Brown? No, this is dark. Okay, let's say this color. Okay, and okay. If I see down, you have whole cells selected. Now I forgot to bold this row. So what I can do is just select my range again and go in conditional formatting, manage rules, and then double click. You're back in that form, and then click on format, and you can also go in font and bold it and borders and set the outlines and click OK and click OK. Now you have the bolded ones. Okay, now if I want to highlight this second row, you have to consider the heading for that. So if this fake heading is considered the heading for these contents, same is the case here. If you want to highlight the other heading, you will consider it as a transaction, and you will consider the cell right above as a heading. So in this case, this will be the heading. So I will highlight again the whole range until last. When you touch the bottom, move one step up, and then I can name range 2. Okay, now I want to highlight the range 2 in a lighter color. So conditional formatting, new rules, use a formula with cells to determine, and equals to. Now I will select this cell, but I will unfreeze the rows, and equals to. Now what is the unique values in all the headings behind this is number, number, number. So number is the unique value in all the headings. So I will write NO and inverted commas close, and then go in formatting, any color you want to select, this one, go to formats, bold, and borders, outlines, OK, and OK. And now you have all the headings highlighted without any effort. Now this is a little bit complex to understand the whole logic behind that. So practice makes the man perfect. You can just practice and practice unless you get this point, because this can save a lot of time for you. All the headings, you don't need to highlight it one by Format Painter or something like this. It will be done just in a moment. So that's all. In the next video, we will start our assignment.